Hello friends, welcome to my channel Snoopy Indian. Last time I gave an unboxing of this Avita AMD A9 processor laptop. Today, as per the demand, we will be doing a complete review of this unit, which is Avita's Pura, and it has got AMD A9 processor. So I will be covering few things in this review. So I will be covering the RAM, the memory, the processor, the keyboard, the ports, um, about the charging time, its build quality, its camera, its speakers, displays, and headphone jack quality. So I'm gonna cover everything about this laptop in this review. Okay, so first let's talk about the boot time. As it has got an SSD, so boot time is very less. So I'll show you the boot time here. Okay, so now it's just booting up. So you can view like how much time it takes to just boot up. So now the Avita logo is appeared. Let's see how much time it takes. I don't think so it will gonna take a lot of time because it has got SSD and 8 GB of RAM. So that is pretty fast. Okay. Okay, it's just boot up. Yeah. So as you can see, it takes like very less time to boot up. So as I've already explained, like I'll be talking about. So first, let's talk about the RAM and memory of this laptop. So I checked the RAM. So it has got Hynix RAM, which is of 8 GB, and it has got a single channel RAM. So that means there's only one slot for RAM, and you can put only one RAM in the laptop. There is no another slot in this laptop. And the RAM, I opened the laptop as well, and I can see the RAM is not soldered on the motherboard. So if you want to upgrade the RAM, you can do that as well in future. If you want to put 16 GB of RAM in this laptop, you can do that. So Hynix is a very good brand as far as RAM is concerned, and it has got DDR4 RAM, which is very good, which is of very good, like it's a power efficient, and the speed is very fast as well. Now let's talk about the memory. So memory is very interesting in this laptop. It has got a HooDisk SSD. I compared it with a SanDisk SSD of same specification, and I found out interestingly it is performing at par with all the big brands. So it is giving a performance of at least like at par. It has got like the read and write speed of around 500 MB per second, which is decent enough for this kind of laptops. Now let's talk about this processor. This is AMD A9 processor. So it is like not for very heavy tasks. So I'll just explain about the processor. The processor is got the total cores in the processor is 5. Among which 2 cores are for computing. That means the day-to-day word processing, spreadsheet processing, and all the day-to-day tasks like doing playing game, casual games, and all. So it is good for that. However, the 3 cores which are there are for graphics, dedicatedly for graphics, and it has got a Radeon R5 graphics processor, which is combined in the CPU itself. So that is why it is called as APU. So AMD APU A9. I would say in my day-to-day usage, I was not able to like edit any video on this laptop. However, when I tried opening up the spreadsheets, doing photo editing, and doing simple stuffs, it worked absolutely fine, and it had got no issues in it. So I would say the processor is capable enough, and I played a game as well, which played pretty fine. The game was like Asphalt 8, Asphalt 9, sorry. So that Asphalt 9 worked absolutely fine on this laptop, and it had got no issues in playing that. Now let's talk about the keyboard of this laptop. So it does not have any backlit keyboard, and key feeling of this keyboard is little bit good, on a very good side. I was able to type, and my speed of typing is becomes like uh, I can feel the tactile feeling when I was typing on this keyboard. So keyboard is good, however does not have the backlight. So in night, if you want to use this laptop, you need to use a small light to use it, otherwise you won't be able to use it. So that you need to keep in mind. Now let's talk about the ports in the laptop. So it has got USB 3.0 ports. There are two. Apart of that, it has got an HDMI port. um, Unfortunately, you don't get any HDMI cable with this laptop. The earlier one which I have, which is Avita Liber, I have an HDMI cable with this, and it has got a USB Type C port, which is very much required nowadays, so that is there as well. Apart of that, it has a headphone jack and a micro SD card reader. So but I would say it has got most of the ports which you require to connect your day-to-day peripherals, like your wireless mouse, wireless keyboard, and everything. So that's plenty of it. Now let's talk about the charging speed of this laptop. So in box you have 18 watts of charging brick, which take a lot of time to charge this. It takes around 3 to 4 hours to charge completely from 0 to 100%, which is a lot of time actually, and the charging is pretty slow. So I would say, yeah, it is better, but however, once it is charged, you can use it at least for 5 hours of continuous usage. If you are using it just for playing games, doing casual tasks, it will last you for 4 hours, which is a good battery life actually, I would say. Okay. However, company claims that it will gonna last you for 9 to 10 hours. However, that would not be the case ever. Now let's talk about the build quality of this laptop. So build quality is completely made up of plastic, and as you might have seen some YouTubers video who are saying that hinge is not good. However, what I feel is hinge is good. It has got internals, like this part is plastic, I would say. This part is plastic, which is holding it. However, the internals is like there is a steel rod inside, so I would say it will keep it as it is for long time. So that means the laptop will the hinge will last long. It's not like that it will break anytime sooner. And it is not completely plastic, it is made up of steel, so it has got steel hinges, not plastic hinges. Okay, so that, keep that in mind. And build quality, I would say it is pretty decent, and it's absolutely fine. Like if you don't drop it. So if you drop like an aluminum laptop as well, it will break. So just don't drop it, and if you're using casually and putting it in your backpack and going anywhere, it will definitely last long. Okay, now let's talk about its camera, which is the weakest camera I have ever seen in a laptop. It has got a 720p laptop camera like the webcam. However, the image is grainy, and you won't feel it is good for web video call and all. So you need to use an external webcam. However, if you have good lighting conditions, yes, it will definitely work. Okay, now let's talk about the speakers. Okay, so it has got two speakers on the bottom. So these are the bottom firing speakers it has got. So these speakers, it's 1 watt each. I have heard people saying like this is the speaker of this laptop is not good and it won't produce good sound. However, what I would feel is like speakers are good. It's just that you need to make one setting. So there is a Realtek driver in this particular laptop. So you need to just search for the Realtek one, and then you can like increase the sound of the equalizers. So that makes this laptop louder. And I would say it is a decent laptop as far as the sound is concerned. And if you want to use, you can use external external speaker as well, a Bluetooth speaker. So it has got a Bluetooth as well. And Wi-Fi speeds, I would say it's decent enough. It has got Wi-Fi 802.11 ABG. So I think it is 2.5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. It connects absolutely fine, and even it supports a 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi as well. So if you have a if you have a very latest router, it will support it as well. Now let's talk about a display. So the display in this laptop, it's got a TFT LCD display. So what TFT means is, TFT is good for viewing. Viewing angles are good, and this is not this is not a anti-glare display. It glares actually. So in good lighting conditions, like in a daylight, you won't be able to use it properly. So for that, what I would suggest is just apply a skin on top of it, which makes it anti-glare, and you can use it in the day as well. However, display quality is pretty good on this laptop, so I don't have any problem. However, the other one which I have, which is Avita Liber, that has got an IPS LCD display, which is not TFT. So IPS is always good and it produces very good colors. So I would have preferred IPS display in this one as well. However, it is a budget laptop, so it does not have IPS. It has got the TFT display. Now let's talk about the headphone quality, headphone jacks quality of in this laptop. So the output of the headphone jack is pretty good, and if you say it is, I would say it's at par with any of the budget laptop, and it is really very good. If you are a music composer, you can use this laptop's headphone, and I will definitely say you can use it, because I do compose music sometimes. So I have seen it, and it is really good output. And if you see mid, low, bass, everything perfectly, as far as you have a very good headphone jack available in your as far as you have a very good headphones actually. So that pretty much all about it. The interesting part is, if you don't know about Avita, it's a Hong Kong based brand, and they have bought Sony's lineup of laptops. Like, if you know, Sony Vaio used to come. So the laptop is produced or manufactured in the same factory as the Vaio's factory. So the final buy decision, if you are going to make about this laptop, will be definitely based on the service center availability for this laptop. I have personally called their service center, and I was able to get a list of it, and you can get it from their website as well. So it is pretty good actually. The service support is available. Call center is pretty responsive. They just respond to your calls as well. So I would say service would not be any problem in this laptop, and with this laptop comes with an 18 months of warranty, and you can extend the warranty while just registering the product online as well. So that which is a great thing. So all in all, you have around 24 months of warranty, which is of 2 years. All the major brands in the market are giving just 12 months of warranty, so which is pretty good about Avita. And secondly, this product, as it's a durable product, so it will last long for you with you. So I would definitely say that. So that's all about the review which I have. Please consider subscribing the channel. We'll be posting more such videos on reviews in this channel, so please consider subscribing it. And if you have any questions, please put it in the comment box. I will definitely try to respond to your queries. And thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day. Thanks.